everyone! Welcome to Cupid's Cooking! And today, we're gonna make paellademarisco or seafood paella. But first, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. And for our background music, special thanks to Just Soundtracks. Please check them out and subscribe to their YouTube channel for more interesting soundtracks and music. So, it's time to put our chef's hats on! You may pause the video to note down the ingredients. Let's make the tomato sauce by combining the cut tomatoes, celery, onions, garlic, and parsley in the food processor. Do not include the seeds and the skin of the tomatoes and remove the strings of the celery. Pulse it into paste and set aside. In a pan, heat the olive oil and sear the shrimps until it turns pink in both the sides. Remove from the pan and set it aside. On the same pan, sauté onions and garlic until tender. Add the devein shrimps and the chopped squid, seasoned with salt and pepper. For the squid, clean and remove the outer membrane of the squid before cutting them into large bite size. Sauté until there are brown bits in the pan and seafood is cooked through. Move the squid and shrimps into the side of the pan and add the tomato sauce. Sauté for a minute. Combine the sauce with the seafood, stir for 3 to 5 minutes. This time, you might add the washed rice. Continue to stir fry until the sauce is absorbed by the rice and the rice turns dry. This will surely add flavors into your rice. While stirring, just make sure you do not burn the rice. Pour the seafood stock into the pan. Please do not stir it even though you are tempted to. Cover with foil for 5 minutes over medium heat. Remove the foil and top the rice with thinly sliced red bell pepper, clams, shrimps, frozen peas, and sprinkle it with smoked back. Cover it again and cook over low heat for 25 to 30 minutes or until rice is cooked through. To high for 5 minutes to caramelize and toast the bottom layer, which is called sukarat. This is the most important part of cooking paella, as it brings so much flavors to the dish. Garnish with a handful of parsley and lemon wedges. It's now time to eat. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Bye!